little explorers! Welcome to Zuzu Funhouse. Today, we are going on an exciting journey to meet 25 amazing animals. Let's learn their names and sound. Let's go! First animal is lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. His loud roar can be heard from miles away. Lion. Panda. Pandas love to munch on bamboo all day long. They are super cute and cuddly. Panda. Koala. Koalas are super sleepy animals. They sleep almost 20 hours a day. Koala. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They use their trunks to drink water and give hugs. Elephant. Rabbit. Rabbits hop around and love eating carrots. Their long ears help them hear really well. Rabbit. Tiger. Tigers have beautiful orange fur with black stripes. They love swimming too. Tiger. Bear. Bears are big and strong. Some bears sleep all winter. That's called hibernation. Bear. Giraffe. Giraffes have the longest necks. They use them to eat leaves from tall trees. Giraffe. Red panda. Red pandas are small furry animals with big bushy tails. They love to eat bamboo and mostly stay on trees. Red panda. Zebra. Zebras wear black and white stripes like pajamas. No two zebras have the same pattern. Zebra. Monkey. Monkeys are playful and clever. They swing from trees using their tails. Monkey. Fox. Foxes are very smart and quick. They have fluffy tails and love to play in the wild. Fox. Orangutan. Orangutans are the kings of the treetops. They use their long arms to swing from branch to branch. Orangutan. Deer. Deer are gentle and fast. Their antlers are like beautiful crowns. Deer. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are super smart and playful animals. They can use tools like sticks to catch food, just like humans use spoons. Chimpanzee. Moose. Moose are big and strong animals with huge antlers on their heads. They live in cold places and love to walk through forests and rivers. Moose. Lemur. Lemurs have big eyes and long tails, and they love to leap through the trees. They live only in Madagascar, a special island full of amazing animals. Lemurs talk to each other using funny sounds and smells. Lemur. Elk. Elks are large deer with tall antlers that look like tree branches. They live in forests and mountains and make loud bugling sounds to talk to other elks. Elk. Meerkat. Meerkats are small and super curious animals that stand up on two legs to look around. They live together in big families called mobs in the deserts of Africa. Meerkat. Wild boar. Wild boars are strong animals with big heads and sharp tusks. They live in forests and use their snouts to dig in the ground for food like roots and insects. Wild boar. Horse. Horses run super fast and love galloping in open fields. Horse. Cow. Cows give us milk and love chewing grass all day. Cow. Goat. Goats love to climb and eat almost anything. They go meme all the time. Goat. Sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool that keeps them warm. Ba ba. Sheep. Donkey. Donkeys are strong helpers on farms. They carry heavy loads. Donkey. Wow! We learned 25 amazing animals today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun learning with Zuzu Funhouse. See you next time. Bye-bye!